Welcome to Learning with Miss Roz, Cooking Edition. Today we are going to learn how to make chicken stir fry. Let's get everything together, otherwise known as mise en place. Equipment you will need: red tray, chef knife, cutting board, prep bowls, measuring spoons, solid measuring cups, liquid measuring cup, wire whisk, wooden spoon, skillet or frying pan, pot with lid. These are your stir-fry ingredients. You can also add in different types of vegetables and protein. Cooking rice. 1 cup of dry rice plus 2 cups of water equals 3 cups of cooked rice. Directions on how to make rice. First, boil your water. Then add the rice to the pot. Once the pot of water and rice come back to a boil, turn down to low and put a lid on it. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Making the sauce for stir fry. In a liquid measuring cup, measure 2 tablespoons sugar, a half a teaspoon of ginger, a half a teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and a little salt and pepper to taste. Next, add in a 1/4 cup of some soy sauce, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon ketchup, and a half a cup of pineapple juice. Whisk ingredients until well combined. Cooking your stir fry. This is your chicken breast. You will cut it along the grain where the lines are. You will then also cut it across the grains, which helps to tenderize your chicken. Slice your chicken into long strips, and then turn it and dice it into large dice. Half your onion, slice your onion, dice your onion. Take your pepper and quarter it, seed it, and then dice it. Set your stove to medium high, somewhere between 6 and 8. The pan is ready when you can hear the sizzling of the water. Spray the pan with some grease and then start cooking your chicken. Make sure you stir the chicken around, hence the name stir fry. Remove the chicken and saute the onions in the grease. Don't worry about the little bits on the bottom. We will get that up when we deglaze the pan. Add the remaining vegetables to your pan. Cook and stir them until they become tender. Once the vegetables are cooked, we are going to deglaze the pan. To do this, add in your sauce and then scrape all the little bits off the bottom of the pan. This will give lots of flavoring to your stir fry. Add back your cooked chicken. Your stir fry is finished and ready to serve. Get yourself a bowl of rice and then top it off with your stir fry.